Hi, I'm Nancy Keating. Welcome to my art studio. I'm pretty excited because once again I'll be teaching my very popular tempered glass mosaic art workshop. And I'm really excited because this will be the first time I'll be offering it to you online. Now you can log on anytime and learn along with my students in the studio as I teach how to create sparkling tempered glass mosaic art. We'll work together and I'll teach you how to create a colorful mixed media base layer. Then you'll learn how to safely crash the tempered glass and add it to your layer. I'll teach you how to use a super easy and totally clear heat set adhesive called No Days. And for the really fun part, you'll learn to custom tint colored grouts and blend those colors to create your own individual mosaic art. This workshop is ideal for beginning mosaic artists. No special skills are required. And for the experienced mosaic artist, the techniques you'll learn will add to your mosaic skill set. So let's create some beautiful mosaic art together. Join the course online, and I'll see you in the workshop.